Thutha na ndagika 50 utuku wa gukia umuthi niguo Stephen Munyakho akinyire kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta thutha wake gukorwo agitumikira kioho kia miaka 14 bururi-ini wa Saudi Arabia. Gatagati ka aria megwikinyitie kiharo-ini giki kumwamukira ari family yake arata o undu umwe na mafitha anene thirikari-ini aria makoretwo makiaraniria na thirikari ya Saudi Arabia niguo arekererio.
I want also to thank everyone who prayed for me, encouraged me and contributed towards my freedom.
Family yake dinahota kuhitha maithori ma gikeno magitariria marari na mwihoko munene wa ati muriu wao ni akamacokerera muthenya umwe ona thengia wa gukorwo kioho giki giakinyaneirio thutha wake kwagarara watho wa bururi wa Saudi Arabia.
My firstborn, the first fruit of my womb. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Allah, for this wonderful, wonderful gift of life. Thank you for each and everyone, and especially my media colleagues.
And so even as I told Mama Dorothy that government would do everything that it could to bring Steve back home, I honestly wasn't sure how we would do it, because the conditions for his release were pretty onerous.
Munyakho akundikirwo kioho mwaka wa 2011 thutha wake kuonekana na mahitia maria macungiriirie gikuũ kia mundurume muraiya wa bururi wa Yemen uria marutithanagia wira nake Saudi Arabia kuria twiriirwo gikuũ.
Thank you, Allah, for this wonderful, wonderful gift of life. Thank you for each and everyone, and especially my media colleagues.
Family yake unyitaniri na thirikari ya Kenya ni ikoretwo ikigeria na njira ciothe gutigirira Munyakho ndanoragwo thabari ria family matariirie ndikoretwo ihuthu.
I'm grateful to Allah for this second chance that I have been granted. It's wonderful to be back home. I'm so saturated, and indeed I need a rest.
Uhotani wa bareno uronekire thutha wa family unyitaniri na andu a wendi mwega hamwe na thirikari gucokaniriria ciringi milioni 129 iria bururi wa Saudi Arabia uretagia niguo Munyakho arekererio.
Even the payment of that $1 million would not be sufficient without the endorsement and the acceptance thereof by the aggrieved family.
Mwena-ini wake Munyakho atariirie ni undu mwega na wa gikeno kuona muthia ni ahetwo wiyathi wa gucoka bururi-ini wake na guikarania na family yake atari na wagagu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.